Namaste. I truly enjoyed making today's video for you guys. So I watched the movie Sarkar and I'm a huge fan of Talapati Vijay, and I really enjoyed watching the movie that I thought to myself, why don't I put together a few looks of what the heroine wore in the movie. And I loved how this video has turned out. I hope you love it as well. And let's jump right into the video, guys. For the first look, I'm wearing a baby pink kurta with 3/4 sleeves which I bought from Biba. It's not exact but very similar to what Keerthy wore in the film Sarkar. I kept the makeup minimal with just emphasizing my eyes with liner and kajal, and balanced the whole look with a nude pink color lipstick and a red bindi. Just like in the film, I parted my hair in the middle and plaited it towards the side. To glam this ethnic look, I wore silver earrings, which is again very similar to what Keerthy wore in the film. Instead of wearing leggings, I paired the kurta with denim jeans, which gave a very modern twist to the whole look. For the second outfit, since I did not have a red colored jacket, I transformed a red colored dupatta into one. Let me show you how you can do the same. Take a red dupatta and fold it into half lengthwise. Fold it again in between. Take a pin and pin it on the center point of your kurta behind so it does not get displaced. Take both the sections around your shoulder and use a safety pin to secure it. Make sure it's loose enough to move your arms easily. Do the same on the other side as well. Once you're done doing it on both the sides, remove it and lay it on a flat surface. With the extra fabric of the dupatta, pleat them just like how you do it on a sari, and secure the plaits with a safety pin. To fix the extra hanging fabric on the sides, fold the fabric into pleats and hide it behind the pleats by using safety pins. The same thing should be done on the other side as well. For the second outfit, I borrowed my mom's green kurta, which he purchased from Max. I paired it with a random matching dupatta and of course wore the red DIY jacket. I liked how the jacket is contrasting to the color of the kurta. I kept the same makeup look but switched the new lipstick with the burgundy maroon one. Keerthy had parted her hair again in the middle, but this time let down her hair and only pinned certain sections of her hair behind. I wore the same silver earrings and just added few extra bangles like how she did.